Welcome to May's Ways, the tropical edition. I'm Kevin, your navigator, this time coming at you from the driver's seat. We are on the island of St. John in the U.S. Virgin Islands, making our descent into Cruz Bay, which is on the western coast of the island. We started up high on Highway 104, this section also going by the name of Gift Hill Road. As we make our way through this curve, you'll get your first glimpse of some of the bays down below. The views up here are tremendous, like this one coming up ahead and then to your left. We did not regret our choice to stay somewhere up high. The views both during the day and at night were tremendous. But if you're going to stay up high, I recommend the 4x4 Jeep. And really, I recommend it even if you're not staying up high. We came up this hill in two-wheel drive shortly after it rained, and if we didn't have the four-wheel drive option, we weren't going to make it up. To the left, and then in front of you as we get through this curve, we're looking east over Monty Bay, Klein Bay, and the bigger Rendezvous Bay at DeLip Point, with Fish Bay behind it. And it's here at this switchback that 104 becomes Southside Road. That switchback doesn't look too daunting, but coming the other direction, oh, have fun. Going up, it's a tight left turn, and then straight up, made more difficult because we're driving on the other side of the road. This section here will give you a good idea of the switchbacks and grade that we're dealing with as we head down to Cruz Bay. You're on the brakes a lot. Don't forget to look behind us too. You can see how far down we've come already, not to mention there's some pretty fantastic views looking that direction too. Looking ahead of us at the bottom of this hill where that golf cart is the entrance to the Westin St. John Resort. It'll be towards your left. It sits right on Great Cruz Bay. We didn't stay here, so I can't comment about that, but we did do night kayaking here, and that was a lot of fun. The kayaks light up and attract some pretty menacing looking fish, which you can see right through the bottom of your kayak. We even had a small little guy jump in with us. Island life is a lot different than life on the mainland, so you're going to have to make some adjustments, and one of those adjustments is grocery shopping. You're not going to find any Walmart supercenters or supermarkets located on this island. There are a handful of markets on the island, one of them right here in this building, the Dolphin Market. We made a few appearances at this market while we were here, plus a couple more that we're going to pass here shortly. Not a lot of gas stations on the island either, but we have this racetrack here on the right. This is a good time to turn around and look behind us again. You can see the hill that we came down, and to the right of that you can see the Westin. Here on the right is another market, the Starfish Market. Of the 3 or 4 that we visited, this was by far the largest. You'll find a wider selection of produce, meat, seafood, frozen foods, and other general needs compared to the Dolphin Market. Don't get me wrong, the Dolphin Market is good. We went there more than anywhere. If you're traveling back and forth between St. John and St. Thomas via car ferry, your entrance is here on the left. Of course, when we arrived in the Virgin Islands, we had flown into St. Thomas, but we found rental rates to be much cheaper if we waited until we got to St. John rather than renting in St. Thomas and taking the car ferry over. If you're spending your whole trip on St. John, make your arrangements to get your rental here. Ah, the roundabout. One of the bigger challenges if you're not used to left side driving. I think we'll make it unscathed this time. Now at the far right of this yellow building across the way by that pink building is another one of those Dolphin Markets. As we approach North Shore Road in the center of Cruz Bay, here on the corner on the left is Cool Breeze Jeep Rentals, which is where we got this Jeep right here. Our party actually got 3 Jeeps from them and we had no issues at all. Insert your favorite "why did the chicken cross the road" joke here. If you're coming over from St. Thomas without a car, the People Ferry is going to deliver you right here. You can see it here off to the right. You also find some taxis waiting to take you somewhere, and lots of places to eat and hang out are right in walking distance from here, especially over here on our left. As you can tell, we've circled around a lot of activity. Lots of places to eat within walking distance of the ferry, including High Tide, Joe's Rum Hut, the Beach Bar, the Banana Deck, Dave and Jerry's Island Steakhouse. I can't speak to any of those. Didn't eat at any of it. Plenty of gift shops in the area too. Now, we did eat here on the right at the Longboard. We enjoyed some pork belly sliders, a skirt steak bowl, and some tacos. And let's not forget some island drinks. Rum drinks are the norm, and the painkiller is the drink of choice. Though I found some options beyond that were pretty good. Back on North Shore Road, over here on the left, you can see the Cruz Bay Visitor Center. There you can also find the trailhead for the Lynn Point Trail, which you can take over to Honeymoon Beach. Alongside our right, more places to eat. We enjoyed a wonderful dinner at the 1864 restaurant, plus some good ice cream over at St. John Scoops on the very end. I hope that you've enjoyed our drive into Cruz Bay, and if you did, why not give us a like? We'll have more from the Virgin Islands soon. We'll see you then.